Hello guys, welcome to OJ RoboMaster videos. Today we'll be seeing the unboxing of the Kit for Curious kit, and we'll be seeing the electronic components and exploring these components one by one. We'll see what are they, and we will be also seeing the review of this Kit for Curious kit. So let's get started without wasting any time. Hello guys, welcome to OJ RoboMaster videos. Today you can see I have this kit bought by my aunt, and she had gifted me for my birthday science kit by Kit for Curious. So I now give my intro. Welcome to OJ RoboMaster videos. Today we'll be seeing about this unboxing and review about this kit. So let's get going on the show. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let's open this kit. First we have opening it. Whoa! There was spoiler alert. Okay, first we get this user guide. Let's give a small look at it. In this user guide is written Kit for Curious user guide www.kitforcurious.com. When you open it, we get the first thing, that is some electric components. So let's see the components in this. First we have a hobby motor, a DC motor, or they are written toy motor. Then 4-B fan, buzzer, 2 AA holders, some sticks, ice cream sticks, number 10. Then 1 holder, then 2 pulleys, 1 small, 1 big. Some 13 LEDs, 2 bigs and all other colors. Then we have 4 AA batteries, 1 9-volt battery, 1 connector, some 10 resistors, 1 3-B fan, some 6 ring magnets, bar magnets 2. Then we have a round fan, core wire, copper wire, and we have a screwdriver too. Neat. We have a on-off switch, 2B fan, clamp, some nuts and bolt, rubber band and a big bolt, transistors, transistor, good, and long nut bolt, side switch, push button, push switch, nice, and a spacer. Now we can see what's inside the booklet. First we have some important notes, okay. Then we have all the connections for many of the projects, and we have the basic LED total. Why am I reading this? All the complete list, and we can also get the videos for each when you WhatsApp this to 7871 blah blah blah. Okay. In the last page, code 445. We have seen the code 445 here. You can see. So you have to just take a pic of this and send to me. That's what I think it is. Okay. Next we get a certificate. Kit for Curious certificate of appreciation. Proudly presented to someone's name here. Mostly will be mine, or I'll give it to my brother. To complete the DICE science activities and to trainers unit. Let's keep that aside. The most interesting part of the kit, the electronic items. First we can see we have some resistors and a connector and a buzzer. Closely if you see, we can see a transistor. They're all packed in a Ziploc cover. So, okay. Next we'll take this hardware types of Ziploc cover, where we can see some rubber bands, a pulley, here a smaller pulley, and these 2 rod-like things. I don't know what they are. Then we also can see the clamp. Okay. We can now see in this only 1 AA holder. What the? Okay. Let's see. And this is the holder. And these are the ice cream sticks. Ooh, DC motor, favorite part. And the hobby motors are also in this. We can also see some wires like what they mentioned in the book, the user guide. They are mentioned about the core wire, copper wire and the wires. All three are in these. Neat. Oh, the fans. So you can see one fan is kind of bent. So it's like a propeller. All the fans are made. We can see the corner screwdriver and it's written Altna, whatever that is. You can see the two fans also. Two huge fans to be specific. Here on the switches, Ziploc cover, one big push button. All are red switches except for one. Mostly, yeah, I guessed it right. You can see one black switch. There are even slide switches. Two should be the one. Okay. Oh, this is a huge bag. There's a battery pack here where there are 4 AA batteries. Okay, and there's a 9-volt battery here and the AA holder. Okay, there are 2 AA holders. Good. What is this? Funny packing on this. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. So these are the bolts and everything. These are the magnets which I love about it. Are good. And the LEDs. Okay. Now you can see closely. There are 2 big LEDs. One second, let me focus it. And yeah, you can see 2 big LEDs. Good. This is a bubble wrap. See? Nicely wrapped. Okay. Close it in. Now, let's see the main part, review. Is it worth it? And let's see it. First thing we'll see, is it worth it? Now, let's see the review. The packaging of this box is good. Plus, it is delivered by Amazon. So, I think it's worth it. And it's 700 rupees. That would be in dollars almost, let's say $6 to $7. So I think for a starter science project kit, this is totally good. The packaging, let's see, you can see for safety purposes, the bubble wrap had been there. That's also good. But the thing I don't like about this thing kit is that it has Ziploc covers. For some, like the battery rollers and ice cream sticks, they are okay. For these LEDs, the Ziploc covers are okay. But I found out that when I had taken out this DC motors closely, when I inspected, the terminals had actually kind of little bent. So what they should have done is package this or some electronic components like this in a small tiny box, where they should have like kept it on a foam, so that would prevent the terminals to get broken easily. So that's very suffocating, because you can't fix it back very easily. You have to open it, fix it back, sometimes it will not work. So that we have a problem there. Next thing, I have seen a lot of Kit for Curious videos. In that way they show the robot, the aeroplane models, and when I even opened, they showed that. But in this book I cannot find how to make those. Like they have given only the basic ones, and they have told you can make it by showing the videos. Okay, that's cool. But then where is the items for making that? They have not given that. So that is also frustrating, where you have to make it with cardboard and chopstick. So that's a little frustrating. Or you can, okay, that's fine, but they should have mentioned that you can get these things in a separate, because now we have to make it by ourselves. That's a little frustrating. Second thing, next thing which I like about, don't like about, I don't know about that. I don't know, is this 9-volt battery good enough to charge? It's a HW. It's not a good band battery, but you can use it for school projects. Let's see that. 1 second, let me take out this battery and check if it's rechargeable or not, something like that. So it's a heavy duty dry battery, and they have also given some dates, and it's not a rechargeable battery. That means it's a use and throw battery, but in heavy duty battery. So good. There is plus and minus. If they are given a little like a rechargeable pencil battery or a AA battery, then it have been good. The wires here are pretty good actually. I never expected to have these extra wires. The switches they are given also is good. Some nice switches. The fans are the most thing my brother likes too, because most of the projects he makes, like they like cooler or something he makes, needs these fans. So these propellers or fans, what we call them, are also good. The screwdriver here is actually pretty good, but I don't want to rubber for. Oh, it's coming out. I think it's just for gripping when I. It's actually good actually, the screwdriver. Then we can see these clamps. Still don't understand why they gave the clamp if they are not going to give the model. Without the model we cannot make it. We have some magnets here. These are pretty good, which I actually loved about this kit. They even told about something called levitating pens. That's why I think they would have given about this. And the resistors, I was actually short of some resistors. I think these resistors fill it. Even the buzzer, only one. They should have given a little 2 to 3 more buzzers. Like the resistors and the buzzer, they should have given a little. I think the bolts were also okay, fine, I think, because you get bolts easily. Now the thing I also wanted to say is that actually when you take each item's price, you may get it below 500 rupees. So you think, okay, you can easily buy it separately. But the thing is, you will not get these items, and for a starters, like a small child, he needs a user guide. So this user guide is pretty good actually for a starters. And the kit packaging, as I said, was also good. So the main point here is it really worth it to buy this kit for curious, die activity kit? Is it really worth it? And the answer is yes, it is worth it. And for $7 or 700 rupees, I think it's kind of worth it. But if you are an advanced already, but you need these items, but you saw this kit where you can get all these items you needed, but it's better for you to buy it separately. But if you're not advanced, I prefer you to buy this kit, and you're a basic in electronics, I prefer you to buy this kit. But one more thing I don't like about this kit is that they have not given like specific what do they do, how do batteries work, how do buzzes work, how do LEDs work. They are not given those notes, so that is also not good for the basics. You can seek like YouTube videos and learn. That's not the thing I am trying to tell. The thing is, they should have given with the kit. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I know that I don't actually make unboxing and reviewing type of videos, but this came at my aunt's place. It is an electronics based science kit. So I thought, let me share this to the world. There are many electronic based science kits out there, but I like this one a lot, because this one is everything a basic the electronic die kit. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really liked it, because I put all my effort in making this video. So I have also put the link in the description below. You can check it out. It's from Amazon. So thank you for staying with me for this much long video, I guess. And I hope you like my project. Stay tuned till my next project. For that, if you really like my project or really like my video, please hit the like button, and if you really liked it, hit the share button so that other people can find out the curiosity. And if you really like it, subscribe to my channel now itself and hit the notification bell. That's a very main thing. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video. Thank you and see you next time. OJ out. Peace.